Here at Big Fork, we do things a little differently. We work with small independent farmers in the Midwest who raise Berkshire hogs outdoors without antibiotics. We make great tasting sausage stuffed with bacon. Yes, bacon. We make tender, thinly sliced pork jerky that's naturally smoked without soy sauce, so you can taste the clean, lean protein. Our meat sticks are made in small batches using real whole cuts of pork and just a few natural ingredients. Finally, we have Chicago sauce. We combine the 7 toppings to a Chicago hot dog together to make one awesome sauce. Think of it as mustard on steroids. Big Fork's products are keto and paleo friendly and entirely gluten-free. As you can see, we do things a little differently. Go to bigforkbrands.com to learn more.